Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that's surprisingly common in many households but carries hidden risks that might just make you reconsider reaching for that seemingly innocent cotton swab. You've probably heard it's a bad idea to stick anything smaller than your elbow in your ear. Well, there's some truth to that age-old advice, and today, we're unraveling the mysteries behind the unassuming cotton swab and the potential damage it can cause to your delicate ears. Now, let's get to the bottom of why those seemingly harmless cotton swabs might be more sinister than you think. Our ears are marvels of natural engineering, comprising three main parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear, with its visible auricle and ear canal, funnels sound waves towards the eardrum, located in the middle ear. From there, the vibrations are transmitted to the tiny bones in the middle ear and finally to the fluid-filled cochlea in the inner ear, where they are converted into electrical signals sent to the brain. Now, here's the catch. The ear is an incredibly delicate organ. The ear canal, where we often insert those cotton swabs, is lined with sensitive skin and can be easily irritated or damaged. Many of us have grown up with the notion that cleanliness is next to godliness, and this often extends to our ears. The slim design of cotton swabs makes them seem like the perfect tool for clearing out what we perceive as unsightly earwax. But let's pause and consider, do our ears really need our intervention, or could our good intentions be doing more harm than good? There's a prevailing misconception that a pristine ear canal is a healthy one. In reality, our ears are designed to be self-cleaning. The earwax produced is a natural, protective substance that lubricates and shields the ear canal from dust, debris, and microbes. So, the temptation to use cotton swabs to achieve a squeaky clean ear may be based on a misunderstanding of the ear's natural cleaning mechanisms. Earwax, or cerumen, often gets a bad rap, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining ear health. This waxy substance is produced by glands in the ear canal and serves as a natural defense mechanism. Think of it as the ear's very own protective shield. Earwax helps to trap dust, bacteria, and other foreign particles, preventing them from reaching the delicate structures of the ear. It also acts as a lubricant, keeping the skin in the ear canal soft and preventing it from becoming dry and itchy. Now, here's the kicker. When we disrupt the natural balance of earwax by inserting cotton swabs or other objects into the ear canal, we risk pushing wax deeper, leading to potential blockages and impactions. This can result in a myriad of issues, from hearing loss and dizziness to earaches and tinnitus. It's essential to appreciate the intricate role earwax plays in maintaining the health of our ears and to resist the temptation to interfere with this natural process. Now, it's time to face the hard truth about how those seemingly harmless swabs can lead to unintended consequences. The design of cotton swabs, with their slender tips, might seem ideal for reaching into the ear canal, but appearances can be deceiving. When used improperly, these innocent-looking tools can wreak havoc on our delicate ears. One of the most common issues arising from the use of cotton swabs is impacted earwax. Instead of achieving the desired clean, the swab may push wax deeper into the ear canal, creating a blockage. This blockage can lead to discomfort, hearing loss, and even infections. But the risks don't stop there. Inserting cotton swabs too far into the ear canal can result in a more serious injury, a perforated eardrum. The eardrum is a thin membrane that separates the outer ear from the middle ear. Inserting a cotton swab too forcefully can puncture this delicate barrier, causing pain, hearing loss, and in some cases, even infections. But don't worry guys, here are safer alternatives for keeping our ears clean and healthy. Maintaining ear hygiene doesn't mean resorting to drastic measures. Instead of reaching for cotton swabs, consider gentle alternatives. Using a damp cloth to clean the external part of the ear can help remove excess wax without risking damage to the delicate ear canal. For those experiencing earwax buildup, a few drops of olive oil or over-the-counter ear drops can help soften the wax, making it easier for the ear to naturally expel it. This method is both safe and effective, allowing the ear to maintain its natural balance. And instead of using a Q-tip or cotton swab, you can try using a proper earwax removal tool. It's a product that a lot of people use to clear their own ears. You can check the link in the description. Thank you for joining me on today's journey into the realm of ear health. If you're as fascinated by the wonders of the human body as we are, make sure to subscribe for more captivating insights. Remember, knowledge is the key to a healthier, happier life. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy.